Hello, everyone. This is Teacher Cell. Welcome to our English online class. Today, we will continue our lesson about seasons and weather. Okay, now are you ready? Please open your book or your pupil's book on page 7. Again, please open your book on page 7. Let's do the activity 5. Read and listen, then match. Now, are you ready? Okay.
Student's Book, Seasons and Weather, page 7. 5. Read and listen, then match.
Where did you go on summer vacation?
1.
I went to stay with my cousins in Colombia. It was hot and sunny. We went to the beach and we went bodyboarding. It was great. Josh.
2.
I visited my pen pal in India. It was the monsoon season, and there was a lot of rain. We played soccer in the rain. It was fun. Luis.
3.
I stayed with my mom's friends in Bali. It was very windy, but there weren't any storms or rain. We went to a kite festival. It was fantastic. Nicola.
Okay, so that is activity 5. Match the pictures with the descriptions above. Okay, so let's proceed to activity 6. Match the questions and answers. So on your left, you can see the questions, and on your right are the answers. Okay, now let's proceed. I will be reading the questions first, followed by the answers. Okay, number 1. Where did Josh go in the summer holidays? Where did Josh go in the summer holidays? 2. What did Josh do there? What did Josh do there? 3. What was the weather like in India? What was the weather like in India? 4. Was there a storm in Bali? Was there a storm in Bali? 5. Did the children enjoy their holidays? Did the children enjoy their holidays? Okay, now let's proceed to the answers. A. He went bodyboarding. He went bodyboarding. No, there wasn't. No, there wasn't. C. He went to Colombia. He went to Colombia. D. Yes, they did. Yes, they did. E. It was rainy. It was rainy. Okay, now you can match the questions with the correct answers. Now I will be giving you an example. Number 1. Where did Josh go in the summer holidays? Okay, where do you think? So the answer is letter C. He went to Colombia, isn't it? Okay, so that's right. Now it's your turn to do 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you match the questions and answers. Okay, so let's proceed to activity 7. But before that, I want you to remember, or I want you to introduce to you the different sentence structures for this topic. Okay, I will just read. What was the weather like? It was hot and sunny. Was there a storm? Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. Okay, again. What was the weather like? It was hot and sunny. Was there a storm? Yes, there was. No, there wasn't. So please remember the word was and like. So you have to follow the sentence structures. Then when you answer the questions, then you have to follow what verb is the question using. So it was hot and sunny. Okay? Then next, was there. So that is the question. Now as you can see the answers, yes, there was, or no, there wasn't. Okay, so please don't forget these sentence structures for this lesson. Okay, let's proceed to activity 7. You are going to ask and answer. Now please do this or practice this one at home with your friend or with your family members. Okay, now are you ready? Okay, let's start. Where did you go in the summer holidays? Where did you go in the summer holidays? Then the other person might be, I went to Spain. I went to Spain. So please practice the questions and try to answer that questions. Do this with your siblings or your parents or your friend at home. Okay, so that is activity 7. Let's proceed to activity 8. All you need to do is say it. Does the end of the questions go up or down? So you have to listen and repeat. Again, listen and repeat. Now, are you ready? Okay.
Student's Book, Seasons and Weather, page 7. 8. Say it. Does the end of the question go up or down? Listen and repeat.
Was there a storm?
Storm? Was there a storm?
Did you enjoy your vacation?
Vacation? Did you enjoy your vacation?
Okay, so that's it. Now, did you hear the end of the questions go up? Yes, that's right. So the end of the first question is storm. So he said, was there a storm? So the end of that is going up. And then the next question, did you enjoy your holiday? So the end of the question still go up. Why? Because these questions are answerable by yes or no. So that's why at the end of the questions, you need to go up. Okay? So that is activity 8. Now, let's proceed to our activity book. Please open your activity book on page 5. Let's do the activity 4. Read and circle the correct words. Read and circle the correct words. Okay? I will read question number 1, or I will read the example number 1, and let's try to answer all together. Okay? Now, number 1. There blank rain, but there blank on thunder or lightning. Again, there blank rain, but there blank on thunder or lightning. Okay, so what do you think is the answer? Is it letter A, was or wasn't, or B, did and didn't? Okay, so what do you think? Okay, the correct answer is letter A. So you have to circle the correct words. So the correct words are was and wasn't. So there was rain, but there wasn't on thunder or lightning. So that is example number 1. So you have to do 2, 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. Now let's proceed to activity 5 on your activity book. Complete the questions and answer. Again, complete the questions and answer. All you need to do is to look at the picture, and then after that, you have to complete the questions, and then after the questions, you need to answer them. Okay? For example, I will give you example number 1. Where blank Anna go in the summer holidays? Where blank Anna go in the summer holidays? Answer: she blanked to ballet with her cousin Claire. She blanked to ballet with her cousin Claire. So, what is the answer? Okay, did. Where did Anna go on the summer holidays? And what do you think is the question? Because the question is about past. So it's asking about past. So your verb also with your answers should be in a past tense. Okay, for example, she went to ballet with her cousin Claire. So instead of go, you have to say went because the question is past. Where did? So it means asking about the past. Okay? So now it's your turn to do 2, 3, and 4 questions and then answers. Okay? So that's activity 5. So now let's proceed to activity 6. Look at activity 5 and then you have to write the questions. Again, look at activity 5, write questions. Okay, number 1. As you can see, the answers are given, but the questions you have to make it. You have to write them down by yourself. Okay? The answer in number 1 is no, she didn't. She went in the summer holidays. So what do you think is the question? Again, no, she didn't. She went in the summer holidays. So what do you think is the question? Because the answer is using past tense. So you have to use the past tense for your questions. Okay? What is the answer? Okay. Did Anna go to ballet in spring holidays? Did Anna go to ballet in the spring holidays? Okay, so that is a correct question for that answer in number 1. Okay, so you have to do 2, 3, 4, and 5 by yourself. So I think that's all for today. Have a good day. Bye.